Hey, hello everybody. I got some boxes. I want to give a shout out to a viewer who comes in the shop, and his name's Daryl. And I want to thank him for selling coins to me, for watching my videos, and for really supporting me. And for this big old giant box of boxes. Hey, definitely. I mean, they're for sale. But you know, there's some nice ones in here. Take a look. This is for Daryl, okay? This is for you, my friend. But that's not all. Got some coins. I'm going to show you guys some coins real fast. It has been so busy. I've never even hardly get to getting the videos out. I'm trying to get all the orders and everything. It's great. I mean, the support and all. You know, it helps a little coin shop out. Definitely. So, got another viewer. Sold me a few things, and I'll tell you, today has been crazy. I had a payment I sent out on the 26th overnight that didn't make it overnight, and as of this morning it was lost. And here I am talking to this customer and viewer and watches my videos and knows I'm honest, and we got the tracking number and everything, and post office said it was lost here. So he calls the number down there, and it ends up showing up at his door today. So he got his payment. You know, it's been kind of crazy. You know, you just never know what's going to happen. I never had that happen before. I'll get refunded what it cost me, so that's a good thing. But I wanted to show you a few things here. I got proof sets, 57 up to 64. I do have a limited supply. I do have one each up on the website. I bought, and I do have some of these up, but I've got rolls of really nice, brilliant uncirculated piece dollars. And I bought these, you know, from another dealer now. I paid $18 a piece. Now I'm going to charge 23 to 25. It just depends. I haven't really gone through all of them. There's 22s, 23s mostly. I don't know if there's, some of them are not all that great. They'll be the 22 ones probably. The real nice ones I'm going to be 25. They're really nice coins. They're well worth it. 22s and 23s there. I bought 3 of those. I mean, you're talking about some stack in here. Got a 21 in this one. It's not too bad. Got a few of them in here. But yeah, it's so I had definitely not too bad there. A little beat up on the face, but you know, $18 a piece is a little high. At least some dealers would want to pay a lot less. 16 bucks a piece is what they would like to pay. But you know, like I said, when you're buying from another dealer, that's what happens. Is what goes on. The customer that sold me the boxes, he sold me the Ike dollars you see up on the websites. You know, I'm selling them for $20 to $25. Most of them have been going for $25. And I've got some really nice ones. I got some, got Susan B. Anthony. These are all really nice coins. You know, graded. I always like to buy graded coins myself. So, you know, sold me a few. We went back and forth a little bit on some of them because, I mean, ICG, you know, even though ICG claims it's a 65, and it might look like a 65 to some people don't, I just don't think it's strong enough. I mean, it is what it is, you know, so you can't really pay 65 prices for the coin. That's one of the things we talked about. He understands that. Wanted to get out of these. This one here is, why would someone do this? Now, I don't know if they're doing a lowball set, but end up getting scratched. But it's not a bad looking coin. The scratch is old. Here's a nice 78. I got another one of these. Now, I bought 4 of these this week. You know, the one thing about it is it has a little bit of a, looks like a lamination or strike through on the reverse. Delamination maybe. It's got a little bit of stuff in it from over the years. You can kind of see that there. Sometimes you'll see like, looks like a rubber black rub on these, or struck through a little bit of wood or something like that. That's always possible. That's what that is. I haven't really looked at it underneath the scope to see. Some few common date CCs here. I paid a little bit more than 60 for these a piece. They typically go for 90 bucks to 95. Sometimes you can, sometimes they're a little undergraded and you can get, 100 bucks out of them. I always put 100 on them and then negotiate a little bit. Up on the website, like I said, I don't have these up yet. I haven't had time to put the items up, but I have a lot of nice things that I purchased. For those of you who do like the Silver Eagles, I do have the enhanced. The holder's a little rough. The holder's a little rough. The coin's just fine. As you can see, it's the SP70. Here's the 2013 reverse proof. It's a really nice coin there. And I got the set of the 2006. I got all three of those for 2006. They're real nice. If you've not seen these, they've come down a lot in value. This is an example of a set that, man, it was $1,000 was easy. It's even more than that at one time. But I remember sending off a few for a friend when they first came out. First time for the reverse proof. The first year, a dramatic change in the actual finish. And see, a proof is a finish on a coin. And this is called a reverse proof because this is what a regular proof looks like. So you see the mirror finish in the fields? Well, the mirror finish is on the Liberty in this one. So they call it a reverse proof because typically proofs were this. This is what they look like. That's what they used to look like. So I have those. I bought some nice 1948, 63 full bell line Franklin. And full bell line, if you don't know, some of you that are new to this, it's on the bell, right at the bottom of the bell. If all full lines are there, then it's considered FBL, just full bell lines. 38D, MS65, and it's normal. A lot of these Buffalo nickels, they'll tone up. And one of my, had a few more Silver Eagles. I got some Roosevelt dimes from a viewer, and a lot of times they just decided they want to sell coins, so they message me and I'll buy them from them when if I can make a deal on them. Here's those. I really appreciate everybody who supports the channel here. One of my favorites that I bought, and it has come down in value as well. Just about a lot of modern things have come down in value. Just seems to be the norm anymore. Is these right here. I got the proof and the mint stay. This is the Buffalo set. Kind of hard to see it. I'll take the coin out here. These are one of my faves. I really like this design. It's a big old hunk of silver with a buffalo and an Indian head on it. A bison, whatever you want to call it. I love it. It's not three-leg though. Of course, they don't have them three-leg in these, but yeah, that's. So like I said, I bought a lot of things. This week has been kind of crazy, and I love it to be crazy. That's fine. I never complain about having business, and sure do enjoy the people that come in. And I've had a few come in and see me, the calls, and like I said, it's really a humbling experience that this channel has. It's changed my life in a lot of ways, and for that I am very blessed and appreciative for. So a couple more things I'll show you here is I got this. It's a 1/10 onza. If I even said that right. That's a nice. It's a nice little coin. Right there. Yeah, so that and this 54S quarter 65. A lot of these are not real expensive. But one thing about this is you buy it, and I had one viewer buy the 65 piece dollar, and my advice always is this. I don't know if they took my advice or they just thought of it themselves, but they bought the 65 1923 piece dollar I had up to compare their coin to. Well, a lot of people look through Washington quarters. Here's a 65. It doesn't guarantee you'll get a 65 if your coin looks like this, But this is a perfect example trying to get that 66 or that 67. And I do recommend that on sometimes. It's just an inexpensive coin, you know, that you can get for basically maybe 20 bucks or whatever, and you've got a guide, an actual photo grade for yourself to kind of go by. And this one here, as far as 65 is concerned, it does look the grade. So there you go. So a lot of this stuff isn't up, and you know, you guys can send me emails and things like that. Like I said, I do appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody, and it's helped me out, showing their support. So hope you enjoyed some of the buys that I had. This is not everything because I've been buying so much. But anyways, please subscribe if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And got any ideas, comment, and have a great day.